Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So how you can check disk check? Okay, so how you can run disk check in your Windows operating system? So how you can do that? Open the start bar and search here my PC, my PC. Also you can just open this PC and file explorer. Okay, you can also press the window E and you can see the my disk. Okay, here and right click on it and go to properties. When you click on properties, you can go to tool, and when you go to tool, you can see error checks. Okay, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Okay, so how you can check error also? So that's it. Click on check errors. You just have to click the scan drive. Okay, you don't need to scan this drive. We haven't found any errors. You can still scan the drive. Okay, so if you want to click on it, it will scan the all the data in the C drive. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because I don't want to just. So that's it for today. And if you want to scan your drive, you can click on here and it will scan your drive. Okay, so thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe this channel. Bye.